An Ultra Short Throw Projector is used to display big, clear images even when placed very close to a wall or screen. It's perfect for small rooms as it saves space and avoids shadows on the screen. People use it for home theaters, office presentations, and classroom lessons. If you are looking for the best Ultra Short Throw Projector available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The fifth product on this list is the ViewSonic X2000B-4K. The ViewSonic X2000B-4K brings a cinematic experience right into your home. With a 4K UHD resolution, this projector delivers clear, sharp images that bring movies and games to life. The 2000 lumens brightness ensures vibrant visuals even in well-lit rooms. Its ultra-short throw lens allows you to place the projector close to the wall, making it ideal for small spaces without sacrificing image quality. Thanks to Cinema's Super Color technology, the X2000B-4K offers stunning colors with a 125% rec. 709 wide color gamut, making every scene look natural and lifelike. It also supports HER and HLG, ensuring better contrast and more vivid details, which enhances your viewing experience. For audio, this projector comes with built-in dual Harman Kardon Bluetooth speakers that provide rich, clear sound. With Dolby and DTS support, you can enjoy an immersive audio experience without needing external speakers. Setting up the ViewSonic X2000B-4K is a breeze, thanks to features like warping and four-corner adjustment, which allow you to project on both flat and curved surfaces. This makes it flexible and adaptable to different setups. Plus, it supports HDMI ARX and USB for additional connectivity options, making it a versatile and convenient choice for any home entertainment setup. The fourth product on this list is the XGIMI Aura 2. The XGIMI Aura 2 is a remarkable addition to any home cinema setup, offering a truly immersive viewing experience. With its ultra-low latency of just 20 ms/s, it ensures smooth performance, especially for fast-paced content like video games and sports. The projector's advanced ISA 5.0 features, including auto keystone correction and focus, make setup effortless and ensure the image is perfectly aligned every time. One of the standout features of the XGIMI Aura 2 is its ultra-short throw technology, which allows it to project a massive 100 inches image from as little as 17.8 centimeters away from the wall. This makes it ideal for smaller rooms or spaces where traditional projectors might not fit. For audio enthusiasts, the XGIMI Aura 2 is equipped with built-in Harman and Kardon speakers and supports Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and Dolby Atmos for an immersive cinematic experience. Whether watching movies, playing games, or streaming content, the projector delivers premium visual and sound quality, transforming any room into a mini theater. Still haven't found the best ultra-short throw projector for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The third product on this list is the Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro. The Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro is an advanced ultra-short throw projector designed for a variety of entertainment experiences, including movies, gaming, and business presentations. With its ability to project a massive 150-inch screen from just inches away, it offers the convenience of a big screen experience in smaller spaces, perfect for home cinemas or compact rooms. One of the standout features of the PX3 Pro is its advanced LPU technology. This technology ensures incredibly precise and accurate colors, covering 110% of the color gamut. As a result, it delivers vibrant, lifelike images with exceptional contrast, making every scene more immersive. For gaming enthusiasts, the Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro is a game-changer. It's the world's first ultra-short throw projector designed specifically for Xbox, providing a high refresh rate and auto-low latency mode for smooth, lag-free gaming. The 4K AI upscaler enhances your content by transforming older movies and TV shows into stunning 4K quality, offering a fresh viewing experience even with older footage. In addition, the projector features Dolby Vision and IMAX Enhanced, delivering rich, vivid colors and breathtaking contrast for a cinema-like experience. Whether you're watching action-packed films or enjoying your favorite TV shows, the Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro ensures you experience them in the highest quality with incredible clarity. The second product on this list is the AWOL Vision LTV 3500 Pro. The AWOL Vision LTV 3500 Pro is a groundbreaking projector that combines advanced technology with a seamless entertainment experience. As the world's first Ultra Short Throw Projector with an integrated center channel speaker, it delivers crystal-clear dialogue and immersive audio directly from the screen. This innovative feature eliminates the need for extra speakers, streamlining your setup while enhancing your sound experience. When paired with premium AWOL screens and the Thunderbeat 4.2.2 surround sound system, it offers a true 5.2.2 surround sound experience, bringing cinema-quality audio and visuals to your home. The AWOL Vision Pro's cutting-edge triple-color laser technology provides a stunning 4K UHD resolution and HDR10+ support, ensuring sharp images and vibrant colors. With 3500 peak lumens, it performs exceptionally well in bright environments, so you can enjoy a large 100 to 150 screen in daylight without the need for blackout curtains. This makes it the ideal choice for replacing your 50 TV with a much larger display. For those seeking an even more immersive experience, the AWOL Vision LTV 3500 Pro supports cinematic 3D display with active shutter 3D glasses. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, the projector's advanced features, including Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, provide a dynamic and immersive experience with unmatched color contrast, sharpness, and audio immersion. With seamless integration with smart home devices and compatibility with home automation systems like Control4, the AWOL Vision LTV 3500 is a powerful solution for transforming your home entertainment setup. Before we reveal the top Ultra Short Throw Projector on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top Ultra Short Throw Projector is the Samsung Premier 9. The Samsung Premier 9 is a game-changer projector in home entertainment, offering a stunning 4K experience with a compact design. Thanks to its advanced triple laser technology, this projector delivers vibrant colors and rich contrasts with HDR10+ support, bringing every detail to life in vivid clarity. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the sharpness and depth of the image are exceptional, even in lower resolution content, thanks to AI upscaling that automatically enhances the picture quality scene by scene. One of the standout features of this projector is its ultra-short throw design. Unlike traditional projectors that require significant space between the projector and the screen, the Premier 9 can project a massive 130-inch picture from just a few inches away from the wall. This makes it ideal for smaller rooms, offering a big screen experience without the hassle of complicated installations or mounting. The projector runs on Samsung's Tizen OS, providing easy access to your favorite streaming apps and games. You can even stream games directly from the projector, eliminating the need for a gaming console. For added convenience, it supports multiple voice assistants like Alexa and Bixby, allowing you to control the projector with simple voice commands. Additionally, the Samsung Premier 9 offers a customizable ambient mode, allowing you to transform your space with background scenes, color effects, or even real-time clock widgets. It's the perfect solution for home cinema, gaming, and even business presentations, all in one sleek portable package. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.